Mills and Stevie.
Yeah. The psychology behind my philosophy theoretically is too deep to comprehend logically. Tweet this, my nigga. I don't want you to follow me, I need you to walk with me. Side by side, eye to eye, my nigga, have a talk with me. Dwell on it, acknowledge me. Around the same time, my moms was working in Williamsburg at the pottery, bringing home potty. Me, the old head said, I got some for you in a pot to see. And possibly, yeah, probably, since that night I've been enticed with coke deals and robberies. In love with the outcome, you know how the profit be. Got a youngin' feeling like he done hit the lottery. I guess that's just my prophecy, or it's just a part of me. Either way, I still to this day can't get it out of me. I'm such a street nigga, the sidewalk can vouch for me. But it fucked me up, my mom said that she's proud of me. You proud of me, but for what? Cause I know for a fact I ain't did nothing. And she damn near cried when she replied to Regis, knowing that brings me comfort. Shit. I had to sit back and think, and take a sip from her drink, and look into her eyes and then blink. Damn, I believe I had me my first epiphany. Look into the mirror, what I saw wasn't different me. Cause they the same knucklehead, I wasn't no 3. Out your bustin' head trying to prove that I wasn't G. Nah, nigga, I quickly learned that wasn't the thing to be. Cause when that pressure on people tend to tell everything they see. With no remorse or no sympathy, the judges send you out of state, far away from family. That was something sadly was telling me. This world is filled with jealousy. He said, Haskett, be glad you ain't got no felonies. Cause when you in a cage at my age, man, ask yourself, who gon' take care of me? And it's stuck in my brain, apparently. Nowadays I'm trying to maintain and take care of my seed. Cause when this goes to achieve, they praying on your downfall, cause they don't want you to succeed. Trying to stunt your growth, man, they cut you short at the knees before they let you sow, my boy. They clipping your wings, they don't want you to prosper. They rather see your profits decrease. They don't want you to live no more, they rather see you deceased. And that's fucked up. Yeah. Listen, my nigga, I'm just big, my nigga. I see shit different, my nigga. You see it half full, I see it half empty, my nigga. I'm so damn optimistic, my nigga. No frame, no image, my nigga. I still envision the picture, my nigga. Fuck your opinion and the shit that you kicking, my nigga. I wanna hear it, I'm incoherent, my nigga. You might take it as that I'm inconsiderate, nigga. It's just that I ain't got time for your ignorance, nigga. It's not a day that go by that I don't think about vicious and how he's sitting in that prison. And the time he was sentenced, and it hurt to see my mom dudes deep in the feelings, and I can't help her, and the blood pressure was shot through the ceiling.